What do you really need to improvise endlessly on the piano? Just a few simple ideas. Let me show you. Trick number 1. Start with something minimal. A shape in your right hand. With a D, A, and D. Keep it steady, like a heartbeat. We are in 6/8 time. And now your left hand. We stay in the word of D minor. D minor, A minor, G minor, and C major. Let's play both hands together. Don't rush the changes. Let the harmony breathe under repetition. This is where improvisation begins, not in complexity, but in stability. And if you want to go deeper into these shapes, you can learn more in my free guide. The download link is in the description. Now, what happens if you let those chords start to move? Trick number 2. Break the chord in your left hand and turn them into arpeggios, like this. And try different inversions. Same chord, new color. D minor, second inversion, and first inversion. Or G minor, first inversion, second inversion. Or add some extensions. The 9. For example, D minor, the 9 is the E. Or G minor, the 9 is the A. Let's try it out. Now your left hand isn't just supporting, it's telling a story. So, if harmony can flow, can melody emerge from it naturally? Trick number 3. Take small steps and build melodies using thirds in your left hand. So, D minor, second inversion, and this is our F. And we go to the D using the first inversion. This is our third. Same goes with A minor. Second inversion. This is our C, and then we go to the A. And this is our third. And put both hands together. You are not searching for notes anymore. You are revealing them. But how do we create tension and release without overthinking? Trick number 4. Use suspended chords. Replace the third with the fourth. D minor. This is the 4 of the chord 1, 2, 3, 4. And resolve it to F. Resolve it. A minor. This is the 4. And resolve it. G minor, this is the 4, resolve it. With C major, this is the 4 and resolve it. Let's play both hands together. Or use arpeggios in the left hand. So let's put all things together. Inversions, the suspended chords, and the 9. Let's play around with it. And if you enjoy these flowing arpeggios, you can gently hit the like button. And subscribe to the channel. Use the guide to improve your improvisations. In the next video, we'll dive into melodic phrasing. How to make your improvisation truly sing.